The U.S. passes 300,000 coronavirus deaths tonight. There is new hope.
Today, the FDA confirmed the Moderna vaccine is safe and effective and could begin distribution as soon as next week.
This comes on the second day of the coast-to-coast rollout of the Pfizer vaccine. This vaccine was delivered to workers at Care New England hospitals today.
12 News reporter Brandon Truitt is live outside of Kent Hospital in Warwick, where vaccinations are underway. Brandon?
Well, Shannon, the first frontline workers here at Kent started receiving vaccines about an hour or so ago. Care New England says they expect to vaccinate roughly a few dozen frontline workers here. They're easing into this to start before cranking it up to full speed tomorrow. You're looking at the moment Care New England received a very special delivery. The healthcare group giving us this video of their first Pfizer doses arriving Tuesday morning, brought inside the Women and Infants Hospital where they're being properly stored.
One of my colleagues said the eagle has landed.
Dr. James Finale is the president and CEO of Care New England and was vaccinated today, aiming to set an example.
We're going to do it. We're standing behind it. And it's not a mandate, right? So we're encouraging as many people as possible to get vaccinated. So I think it was pretty important.
Care New England says that they are receiving about 5,000 initial doses divided amongst their facilities.
I'm so proud of our hospital, and I'm so proud of our community of coming together.
Part of the state's Phase 1A, frontline workers in hospitals, including doctors, housekeepers, food service employees, are up first. Those vaccinated today saying they want to spread the word. They believe this is worth getting.
The benefits outweigh the risks.
So as of right now, Lifespan and Care New England facilities are vaccinating employees. It's roughly in the hundreds of people total between the two companies who have been vaccinated. That number expected to be in the thousands by the weekend. Live in Warwick, Brandon Truitt, 12 News.
The FDA could authorize Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine by the end of the week. Today, an FDA panel said it was highly effective. Meanwhile, today was the second day of vaccinations using Pfizer's shot. Care New England here in Rhode Island received their first shipment today. 12 News reporter Brandon Truitt joins us now live from outside Kent Hospital in Warwick, where shots were administered this afternoon. Brandon?
Well, Mike, as we come on the air, there are 5 hospitals in Rhode Island that are currently vaccinating employees. It's been relatively slow to start, but by this time tomorrow, efforts at hospitals statewide are really going to be ramping up.
It's incredibly exciting.
The head of a leading healthcare provider in Rhode Island getting vaccinated himself today, aiming to set an example for his staff and patients. If he can get it, you can too.
This has been pretty important for everybody in this region, especially here. So people are excited as hell. So I think, again, it's like Christmas morning, waking up, the Christmas tree has this big gift.
That gift rolling in this morning. This video from Care New England showing the first of about 5,000 initial doses arriving to Women and Infants Hospital. Delivered by FedEx, they're signed for, then brought inside. Stored away at those below subarctic temperatures. The logistics timed to the second.
I'm feeling really fortunate to be in this first wave.
Dr. Nina Ayala works in the maternal fetal medicine division. She's a new mother herself, giving birth to a boy in June.
I feel really proud to be able to help protect myself and help protect him.
One by one they came in, those at the forefront of the fight against this virus, each seemingly anxious to get vaccinated. But the doctors here say they know that's not the case for everyone, and that's part of why they're here.
When you are in healthcare leadership, it's important for us to not just talk the talk, but walk the walk. And so when I was asked if I would be willing to get the vaccine first, one of the first people in the state of Rhode Island, it was a no-brainer for me.
Care New England has vaccinated roughly 3 dozen people today. Again, a slow start as they work to iron out those behind-the-scenes logistics. That number will likely be in the hundreds by the end of the week. Live in Warwick, Brandon Truitt, 12 News.